Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new defaults. I will go with SMS app, maybe this one, and browser. In this case, Firefox one. When your apps are ready, go into Settings. In Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. Then select Advanced and tap on Default Apps. Finally, click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, SMS app and browser one. So when I click on one of them, I need to tap on an app that I wish to apply and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!